up, boys? What's up, everyone? Today we're doing a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I got my boy Bryan over here. He's doing some secret carbon fiber maybe over here.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I got my boy over here, Mr. Philip Man. He's working on this oil change. He's almost done, right?
Yeah.
Yep, looking good. All right, but yeah, that's what we're working on today. Two little things. We'll get more into detail about the WRX. Oh, loud truck. But we'll get more into details with the WRX right now. Bryan's working on taking off the bumper. I'm gonna go help him out with that. All right, guys, so we got the bumper off. Now, Bryan's working on getting this carbon fiber piece under here, but we ran into a problem. That intake.
I have no clue how to take this off. I'm gonna be real here.
It goes on with double-sided tape, and we don't want to rip it off to fit that, because that goes under it. It goes like,
I feel like I might have to
this
just
piece.
take the L1s.
Yeah, you might have to.
Yeah, then buy more double-sided tape after.
Yeah, we might have to do a quick auto shop run.
If you come over, at least I see the holes. It's supposed to be like one.
Lines up, right?
One hole right here.
Yep.
Second hole.
Yep.
And then 3 and 4 over here on this side.
Hey, this is what you get when you buy authentic, though. Everything lines up.
Yeah, for real.
Always buy authentic. Always. We finished the oil change over there. Everything's good. He's just cleaning up over there.
Yeah.
But today we're focusing on this car. But before we look at this, Bryan, I have a question for you. So why do you have one side skirt? You got one good one right here, and if you walk around all the way around on this side of the car, what happened to my man's side skirt, man? What's all these holes right here, Ryan? What's up? Tell me.
I'm moving to my new job right now, and like, whatchamacallit, as I was driving, it just like fell off, and I was like, well, I can't take it with me, so I just fucking.
So you just left it on the highway?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All the clips are broken.
Hey.
Yeah, it is what it is. But
It's a daily. It's a beater car.
No. I drive like 3K miles like every month.
Yeah, you do an oil change like a month and a half every time, right?
Yeah, basically.
Dude. Well, we'll get back to you guys when we get the double-sided tape situation figured out. We gotta get this off somehow without damaging the carbon, but yep, we'll get back to it. All right, guys. So we ended up just strong manning it off.
Yeah,
no cracks. So this is one piece. Bunch of tape here. It's just a cover.
Yeah.
But the hot weather outside is helping. The adhesives all loose up. We didn't use any Goo Gone, but we're good. We're waiting on a roll of tape, and then I think the other homeboy Philip, he's coming back with another car to do another oil change. The man's on the grind.
Indeed.
But I'm just helping Bryan out over here. And then what else do we need to do, Bryan? Is just get some tape, and then we're good to go, right? Just slap it on. Oh, and then figure out the bottom part too. So
yeah. I don't know if I have to take off this plastic part to replace it, or if it goes on top. I assume I have to take off this plastic.
It looks like you have to take it off because it's gonna be too thick for anything to fit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But we'll get that figured out. We'll take off the intake, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, as every single time you work on cars, we've run into another stump here.
Things do not ever go as planned.
Yep. So this little plastic piece, we gotta take it out, right? But it's caught behind the latch, and it's also caught behind this little part of the frame right here.
Yeah.
If you guys can see that, it's a little difficult to see, but this plastic piece that runs all the way down underneath right here.
I mean, theoretically, I could cut it up, but I don't know if I want to do that.
I mean, if you gaslight yourself, it's plastic, it won't break, you know. You just yoink it out, you know. But yeah, we're doing a little bit of research. Bryan's watching some, online videos.
I'll be looking it up.
But hopefully we can clear this up for anyone who wants to do this in the future. Provide a clear solution, because this is a problem.
Yep.
We found out that we're dumb and we can't read instructions.
Okay, I thought that the 4 arrows were referring to where to mount it, the new one, but it was actually referring to how to take off this metal bracket so that we can take off the plastic shroud.
Yeah, because things aren't gonna fit if you just kind of shove them in here. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, no, breaking these bolts with this little ratchet is so difficult.
Dude, I can give you a different one.
I'm already almost done.
But yeah, so we got to take this metal bracket off, and then we slide it real smooth underneath.
Hopefully.
We just realized we're dumb.
Yeah, and then
we have a cool little car over here, some SSR wheels, STI, and then the cute owner right here. Say hi.
God.
Hi.
Change clothes.
And he changed clothes, all fresh and clean. And so We got it off. We got the whole metal piece.
We do a lot more than just the 4 bolts. There's 3 more afterwards.
What was it, like 12 in total?
Around there, a little less.
Damn, but yep, we got
look at the radiator.
If you look,
I've been driving in the boonies.
Oh, yep, he has a lot of stuff out here, man. A lot of bugs and leaves, but it's okay. Your car will be fine. But this is the assortment of stuff we have to take off. The front bumper, a bunch of trim, the foam, and then the whole big piece of metal on the top. And then I believe we can just easy slide this.
Very little struggle with that.
Get that out there, and there we go. We got to take this piece off, and this is what we're replacing with this nice carbon fiber piece here from Charge Speed. Saucy.
Go on top like that type of vibe.
I believe so. Looks like it's there, and all the mounting points are good. But yep. So it was a lot more work than we thought, huh, bro?
Yeah, but I mean,
worth it though.
It looked good in the end.
That piece looks nice. And what's it do? It draws more cold air or something like that.
I mean, it probably doesn't, to be honest.
Carbon fiber looks cool.
Style points.
Style points. All right, guys. So we just finished. Got the bumper back on and everything.
Yeah, finished products.
New engine bay, looking saucy with the carbon. The full intake carbon over here, looking good. There was a lot of clips. This is a pain.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we got it done. Nothing broke. That foam piece in the bumper though. Oh my lord. But now we gotta move on to an oil change. All right.
Yeah.
While Brian's still working on his little oil change over there, he's getting his stuff done. I just wanted to point out something a little something new. Got my new low pro tires out here. I got some, they're skinnies, a little bit stancy, but just something I enjoy, Nice wheels, but this car is still being worked on. It's the covered one. Guys, engine all done, bumper back on, everything smooth, looking saucy. Oil change good, the WRX is good. Mechanic day. Always the good stuff. Always the good stuff.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for sticking around. We got a lot more coming up. Big plans for this car, the covered one, many to come, or maybe even more cars to come. Shoot.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys.